In a quiet village wrapped in fields of swaying wildflowers lived an elderly woman named Mrs. Eliza. She had spent her whole life there, tending to the garden behind her cottage, a place bursting with vibrant blooms, fragrant herbs, and plump vegetables. Her garden was beloved by everyone, yet Mrs. Eliza often felt her life was small and uneventful. She admired travelers who crossed oceans and inventors who shaped the world with new ideas, and she wished she too had done something remarkable. One warm afternoon, as she pulled weeds beneath the sun, Mrs. Eliza noticed young Samuel peering at her from behind the fence, his eyes full of wonder. "Hello, Samuel," she called with a smile. "Would you like to help me today?" He nodded eagerly and scrambled over the fence. Side by side, they worked the soil, and Mrs. Eliza told him stories of her life in the village, of planting tiny seeds and watching them burst into color, of the pleasure of gathering fresh vegetables, and of the joy she felt giving her harvest to her neighbors. When they were done, Samuel looked up at her and said, "Mrs. Eliza, your garden is magical. You make the village beautiful. You help keep us fed and happy." Her heart warmed, but she answered softly, "Thank you, Samuel. Still, sometimes I feel my life is very ordinary compared to others." Samuel hesitated, then took her hand. "Come with me. I want to show you something." He led her through the village streets. At each home they visited, someone stepped outside with a story to share. One mother tearfully recalled how Mrs. Eliza's herbs had soothed her sick child. An elderly widower spoke of the comfort he found in the blossoms she delivered after his wife passed. A young couple thanked her for the vegetables that had sustained them during a difficult year. Finally, Samuel brought her to the village square. A crowd had gathered, surrounding a breathtaking display made entirely of flowers, herbs, and vegetables from her garden. "This is our way of saying thank you," Samuel proudly said. "We see it, even if you don't." Mrs. Eliza's eyes filled with tears as she looked around at the grateful faces. For the first time, she understood that her life had never been ordinary. Her garden was far more than a patch of earth. It was a source of healing, hope, and joy for the entire village. From that day on, she tended her garden with a renewed sense of purpose. Each seed she planted, each blossom she nurtured, felt like a gift she was giving back to the world. Mrs. Eliza's life became a reminder that even the simplest acts can carry extraordinary meaning. And never again did she doubt the quiet greatness of her own story.